You can feel or you can hear that it's very windy. I opened the back door here and the one from the balcony. So from here it pulls a nice draft through the room, and this is actually fresh. I think this will save you a lot on the energy bill. Good afternoon. I'm here in Sukhumvit Soi 26 in front of a building called the Kraam, and today I need to make some video for Sukhumvit Homes. We have a nice 2-bedroom apartment here to film. The Kraam opened in 2019. The building has 29 floors. It's a very modern luxury building. So let me first show you a bit of the facilities downstairs. I will bring you to the room and then I will let you see the swimming pool and the common area. This is called the pavilion, and this can be used to relax, enjoy the park here a little bit. Even if it's raining, you have free Wi-Fi in here. So let's go to the lobby. So this is an ideal space if you want to read a book and just relax a little bit. Yeah, you have that with all the modern luxury apartment buildings. You have always a nice common area. So let me get the key and go to the room that I have to film today. Here we are at the unit that I come to film here at Kraam. This is a 2-bedroom, 110 square meters, and the owners are asking 130,000 baht rent per month. Nice view here of the Phong area in Sukhumvit Soi 24. You can feel or you can hear that it's very windy. I opened the back door here and the one from the balcony. Here you have the washing machine and the dryer. So from here it pulls a nice draft through the room, and this is actually fresh. I think this will save you a lot on the energy bill. So the kitchen has a very modern interior. And there are some nice gadgets here, such as the power plugs that are in here. And then here you have these 2 doors. When you open them, you get quite a bit of extra storage. Microwave there. So let me show you the bedrooms as well. So this has a separate bathroom. It's the 2nd bedroom. It's also the smaller room, obviously. But still, the nice view. Yeah, in the evening when all the lights go on, it's going to be beautiful. Air conditioning unit there on top. Here also extra storage. The master bedroom, a bit more spacious than the second one. Yeah, this is all new. Yeah, we have a couple of units in this building, and today I'm specifically here for filming this one. And the other units that we had were on the other side of the building. Nice bathtub. You have an open view here towards the river, and there the whole green area in the middle, that's the Bangkok, the green lung of Bangkok. Okay, so let me bring you to the swimming pool and the gym, so you have a good overview how this building looks. See you upstairs. There's a nice spacious gym in here, and if you're on the machines here, you have a great view of the river here in front. And this is the whole Sukhumvit Soi 24 area. And then here you have the swimming pool. Yeah, here in Kraam they have an amazing swimming pool. And what's actually interesting is that they have glass in front, but they put it down, so they put it on a lower level. And that's why if you're in the swimming pool, you have a complete open, unobstructed view. So here we have a view of the Phrom area, the new UOB headquarters, the United Overseas Bank from Singapore. And here you can look down Sukhumvit Road. There's gonna be a hotel here next door. So it's gonna be like 8 or 9 floors high. Yeah, so what I said, the glass here is down. So they have a walking path down there, which means that if you're in the swimming pool, you have a completely open view. So here in the Kraam you have 2 and 3 bedroom units. If you're interested in renting an apartment here, feel free to connect with us. Send me a message at info@SukhumvitHomes.com, and then we will show you whatever is available here. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.